Hello and welcome to the Advanced Form Integration plugin, and in this video, I am going to show you how to integrate ActiveCampaign. By the end of this video, you will know how easily you can create a connection between a supported form and ActiveCampaign. So when people are going to submit a form in your website, the details will be automatically sent to ActiveCampaign, and create a new contact, and then add it to an email list, tags, or automatically run an automation. You will also be able to create deals. So let's get started. To show you a hands-on walkthrough about how it works, I have created a sample form with the Contact Form 7 plugin. I made it pretty basic with the fields of person's name, email, phone, city, company, and interests. We need to activate ActiveCampaign support in the plugin settings. I will go over to the settings menu, mark ActiveCampaign, and then we'll click on the button Save Changes. A new tab for ActiveCampaign will appear next to the General tab. I am going to select the tab. Here we need to save the ActiveCampaign API URL and the key. To get those, we need to go to ActiveCampaign dashboard, then click on Settings menu, and then Developer. Copy both URL and key and paste in plugin settings. At the end, click on Save Changes button to save the values. Let's head over to the Integrations page, and I am going to create a new integration now. I am going to click the Add New button. Or you can also go to the Add New menu, both will lead us to the same page, which is a new integration page. The plugin will generate a default title with an incremental number in it. You can replace it with a suitable and memorable text. When you will set up multiple integrations, it will help you to quickly locate the correct one from the list. There are two sections here. Trigger and Action. The trigger is from which platform and when the data will be sent. We can call it the sender. Here I am going to select the Contact Form 7 and the contact form that we created before. If you have multiple contact forms created, all will come right here as a list in the drop-down. The action is the platform to where the data will be sent. We will select ActiveCampaign. And the task will be, Add Deal Contact Note. A new section will appear where we need to map the fields. In the basic Advanced Form Integration plugin, you will be able to create contact and deals with all the system default fields. You can also attach the contact to an account, list, or automation. In the professional version of the Advanced Form Integration plugin, that requires a subscription, you will also be able to add the custom fields and contact tags. We have few additional fields in the form, like city, company, and interests. So I am going to create the fields in ActiveCampaign. I will go over to Setting and then Manage Fields. Here you will find the default fields used for accounts, contacts, and deals. I will also create sample tags for contacts. Let's go back to the new integration page and refresh it. I am going to select the fields again. Now you see the additional fields that I just created came here. Now I'll show you how to map the fields. This is the email field of the contact in ActiveCampaign that we are going to create. Here in the drop-down are the fields of the forms that I selected before. So in email, I will select the form's email field. You will find some more fields with double underscores at first. Those are some system fields you can use. Similarly, I will select first name, last name, and phone. You can add a note for the contact. Here are the tags that I created little earlier. If we want to add a tag, we need to put the ID for it. I will put 3 for new lead. These are the 3 new fields, I will map those too. If you want to add the contact to an account, you can select it here in the drop-down. Currently, we don't have any existing account, so it's empty. You can also select the contact list here. Similarly, you can start an automation as soon as the contact is created. If you also want to create the deal as well, you can fill in the following fields in the same way. I will leave other fields vacant for now and save the integration. Now I am going to fill in the form and see how it goes. You can see the contact was added. Here are the fields, the tag, and it was added to the list. If the things not go as expected, you can check the log section. Here you will find a list of all API calls that were done by the integrations. Investigate the request and return data for errors. If you need further assistance, feel free to send an email to advancedformintegration.com. Thanks for watching the video.